The Common Cold Centre at Cardiff University was established in 1988, and it's a clinical research organisation that conducts clinical trials on new treatments for colds and flu, particularly self-medication. We've done two very large studies last year. The biggest one was on the herbal medicine Echinacea. It's not often that we get such positive results. The first thing is that we found there was absolutely no difference between Echinacea and placebo for safety. So both medicines were at the same safety. And secondly, we found out that patients who were taking Echinaforce had fewer colds, but also they took fewer painkillers and common cold medicines. So their symptoms were not as severe. So it looks as though Echinaforce is reducing the severity of symptoms and that you don't need to take as many other medicines to control symptoms. The other thing that we found out is that Echinaforce was having greater benefit in those at more risk. So for example, people who had higher stress levels, because we measured stress, people who are getting less sleep, and smokers, etc. These higher risk groups seem to get even more benefit from the Echinaforce. So I think overall we were very pleased with the results of the trial, and now I can say with certainty that there are effects of this medicine on the human immune system, some modulation that in some way interacts with infection. That is certain. I've been fortunate enough to go out and see where the Echinacea is grown, how it's processed and how it's standardized with great care. So you know you're getting a really high quality standardized product. And for clinical trials and as a patient, that is for me an absolute priority. These are the key things, and I think Echinaforce has all of these properties of standardization, freshness, so you really are looking at the highest quality Echinacea when you're looking at the Bioforce Echinacea.